Hello, my dear friends. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I'm an Indian expat staying in the Netherlands, and to be honest, I'm a bit biased towards staying in the village part of the Netherlands rather than the cities because living here in the countryside or like in a smaller village and not in the cities is a bit different. It has got a very different vibe. It's more chill, more relaxed, more beautiful. And today, through this day in my life vlog, I'm going to show you just that. So the first thing that we do on a weekend or on a relaxed day like today is either go for a walk or go for a bike ride. Today it's a bike ride. Let me take you guys along. It cannot be a village vlog without talking about some comedies. Although I think there are quite a few festivals going on. If you can see behind me there, people are getting ready for some. As you can see behind me, people are getting ready for some music festival, and there is one later in the evening also where we are going to go, and there's going to be Bollywood music there. So I'm really excited. But for now, after this long bike ride, I've definitely worked up an appetite, so we are going to go and grab some lunch. Not grab some lunch, make some lunch, but it's going to be Dutch style. I'll show you. Let's go. Whenever it's the weekend, there are only two options for our lunch. One, if it's like we are really in the mood, then it will be a full-fledged Indian meal where we will go all out and cook everything from scratch. And the days when we don't feel like cooking, it is this, the Dutch lunch. Well, not the Dutch, because the Dutch lunch is just this bread with a cheese slice. But we can't do that much. I need some taste, so I will go with some pesto sauce like this. Welcome to part 2 of the weekend. Even though I've like gotten ready, I'm still as you can see, I'm still a little bit asleep because this part is the part after my nap time. And I need this every single weekend because I don't know, my weekend is just not complete without it. Nevertheless, where I'm going now will definitely make me feel a lot more awake and I'm a bit excited for that, even though it doesn't look on the screen right now, because we are going to a music festival and we are going to have some Bollywood orchestra there. Yes, in a Dutch village, we are going to have some Bollywood music and I will show you. Let's go.
Bollywood's Masala Orchestra.
Wow, that was quite awesome. I thought it would be only Indian people. Dutch people apparently like the Indian music. Some of them were saying that. Anyways, this is not one festival that happens in my village. There are quite a few happening throughout the year. Last time it was about a food festival. So like there were foods from all over the world, like Japanese, Indian, of course, like the basics like naan and chicken and biryani and all that stuff. But nevertheless, it was still there. So it's a good way for us also to come out and explore. One more thing that I do over my weekends here in the Dutch village is go for grocery shopping. I know a lot of people do not enjoy grocery shopping, but I don't know. Somehow I enjoy grocery shopping in my Dutch village. Groceries are done means the weekend is over. Not like really over. I still have to put these groceries away, and this is how I spend my Sunday. But this is not all of my Sunday, because my Sunday also included today like doing loads of laundry, organizing a part of the house, doing some household project, and on top of that I am also a mother to a toddler, so mommy duties are a priority. So but I also think that it is important that you take time out for over the weekends to do something that is fun and enjoyable. Most of the time life is just happening to us. We have to go to a job, earn money, do the errands, pay the mortgage, take care of the kids, and blah blah blah, all the chores and blah blah blah, everything we just have to do. But then when you take that time out and make it a priority to have fun over the weekends, because otherwise it just passes by, and you know, at the end of the weekend we're like kai kela. So in today's vlog I showed you what are the things that bring joy and happiness for me and my family. So I hope this video inspired you to like think about those things that are bringing joy and happiness for you, and go out and do them. If not out, at home. Like as I said, sleeping is also very enjoyable for me, and I do that every weekend. But yeah, I hope it added value, and let me know in the comments down below what is your most favorite thing to do over the weekend, and or what is that fun activity that this weekend you're going to make time to do that if you're not already doing it. And I will see you in the next video. Take care guys. Bye bye.